everyone. This is Shreen Purewal bringing you the latest real estate updates. All right, so today's topic is, again, the topic that we all want to know more about is real estate, prices, market. Where are we going right now? Please, my friends, I just saw yesterday or today an article about how inflation has come down in Canada. Let me ask you a question to answer that. If inflation has truly come down here in Canada, what's the price of milk? Has the price of milk gone down? Has the price of bread, your regular bread, gone down? I don't know about you, but the other day I was at Costco and I asked the lady at the till, I said, the average checkout bill, how has it changed? And she told me at Costco, the average bill that she would typically see when she would check everyone out would be between 400 to 500. Now it's between 600 to 700. So when I hear announcements on the news of inflation is going down, I look at it practically. I say, well, in my day-to-day life, has it gone down? Because gas prices have gone up. They haven't really fallen. What's used to transport all these food supply and goods? Transportation is oil, and oil prices haven't gone down. So how is that helping inflation? So building, construction material, how is that transported? Gas, have gas prices gone down? No. Has the cost of commodities gone down? Probably not. If inflation is still happening, commodities are going to become worth more and construction material is going to hold. Now, you're asking me what's going on in real estate right now. I'm going to tell you right now what's going on, and you're welcome to ask other agents. It is shocking how low supply is on the real estate market right now. For the amount of people, we were looking at a townhouse with a buyer a day ago, 2 days ago. I said, in the whole of Victoria, what's currently listed that's comparable to this one that you're interested, there's only, I think there were eight townhouses that compare to that one we were looking at. So I was like, sorry, there's an accepted offer on here. There's 7 others that are listed way higher. And that's why this one went quickly. So we're now looking at multiple offers, not really multiple offers, but you're saying more people looking at that one good again. So there's a supply issue. Inflation hasn't gone anywhere. The only thing that's holding prices back right now on the real estate side is financing. People cannot get mortgages from the bank. The banks are saying, unless you got this paperwork and this income and this backup and this credit, we're not giving you a loan. And you pay off that car loan, you pay off this. Right now, it's harder and harder to get a loan. So if you're cash, you're king. But at the same time, you're still not really king because there's not enough supply. So it's interesting times right now in the market for sure. Anyways, that's a quick update, real estate update from me. If you have any questions, please email me info@bchomegroup.ca. We're doing a lot of farm selling right now. A lot of people are showing interest in farms. People are taking their money out of the stock market, putting in real estate. They're hedging against inflation and instability in the markets right now. The good news is everyone needs a roof over their head, so you're not going to lose on that front. If you want to invest in pre-sale condos, that's another good hedge as well against inflation right now. To prove my point to all of you is just look at the history. Look at the history of data. Look at the stats. When you look at the history of data and you look at the stats of what's been happening for the last 100 years, the real estate market has been continuously upward trending and more steeper the last 20 years. Why? Because they started printing more money the last 20 years. And what are they going to do in the next 2 years? They're probably going to print more money. They are printing more money. With this bank crisis, mark my words, the only way to bail it out is to create more money. So until we go to a digital currency where we can control the supply of money, we're going to keep experiencing inflation. And that's my opinion. And don't make your investment decision based on what I have to say, but just do your research, listen to your different podcasts, read your different articles, study the economy, and come to your own decision. But I've been right for the last 10 years of doing real estate. And I remember my dad, my late father, bless his heart, 10 years ago telling me, saying, buy real estate, buy real estate, buy real estate. Just don't stop. And over again, I think of him because he's always been right. He's old school and he didn't believe in the stock market back then. I remember him saying Bombardier, all his friends were investing in a company called Bombardier. He's like, nope, just buy real estate. And you know where he ended up and you know where they ended up. But anyways, just some thoughts here, sharing my thoughts. Any questions or any information to share with other viewers out there? Always like to create a forum of information sharing here. I know you're all busy with your taxes right now. Taxes, there's a few taxes this year. The underutilized housing tax there. I hopefully you all filled out your vacancy tax. That's already past you. And even if it doesn't apply to you, you have to fill out some of these forms. So make sure you're clear on that front. But anyways, guys, lots of love. Take care, and we'll be in touch, and email me any questions. Cheers.